Wait. I'm in a call with my friends and cousins and so on. And I forgot. I'm sorry, guys, I'm sorry, guys. I forgot to unmute. I'm sorry. I forgot. I'm sorry. My bad. Yeah, I was muted in the. No, I'm sorry. We're in a call. I'm with content creator Just Core and Moonlight YT. Moonlight YT shot or sub chip 5. He shout outs to me in my own video, and he has 100 plus subscribers, and he says shout out to me in my own video. I don't get that and how it works, but it is what it is, bro. I kinda get it, but I don't get it, but it's alright. I'm in a call with him right now. It's in the chat. We can see it, right? Right? Do you have a call? Wait, I'm gonna ask him real quick. Do you have a coffee, bro? Barney needs it. Okay, he doesn't have a coffee. We're gonna wait 80 seconds, so... I don't know. You coffee addict! I don't have a script! Moonlight Whitey reminded me because he watches my videos like 24/7. Wait, I'm gonna fix my settings. Okay. Stop! Stop. No! Get away. What do you mean? Okay. Okay, Barney has the coffee now, and yes, thank you. I will be also doing IRL videos of shorts, me going to Boracay from Aspan, and we will see Moonlight Whitey. By the way, this guy doesn't have a face reveal, and I'm not gonna show his face in the time span. Okay, and so I'm gonna be in Boracay with Moonlight Whitey and on to July 2, if I am correct. I think kasama ko si Joshua. He is my cousin. Yeah. Oh, and he's Moonlight Whitey or Subchip 5. And and he has wrist for Jemima. No, I'm joking. And he's handsome for her though. I'm, so, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just joking around. Oh my god! Yeah, there's a stalker, bro. It's like, yeah, he's there. Yeah, it's like smiley face. Okay. I will, if any of you guys want to sign up to be my editor, please comment your Discord as well. And I don't have money, so don't expect a payment. I'm a. If you steal my context, I will be suing you on YouTube. My content pala, not context. By the way, have you heard of the book called Power by Robert Gren ba? Wait.
It's a good book.
Robert Greene. He is a very book writer. I like reading books. But I play Roblox like I don't know. I'm sorry for I haven't if I get copyrighted in this video, I'm sorry Robert Greene if you're watching this video. Greene? I don't know how to pronounce your name, Mr. Greene. From the in the loss of copyright, I don't know. I'm sorry. I thought oh my god. Oh my days. Okay, we're then. We're only at shift 2. I will make a part 3, I think, because I don't have a verified YouTube account yet. I haven't verified it. I'm sorry. I just tested being a YouTuber, bro. I enjoyed the 7. No, yeah. I'm ashamed of myself. Bro, are you also gonna eat? Are you also gonna eat? Say no if no. Say yes. Okay. Death ritual? You need to. Can't you just slap him, bro? I mean, that would be easier. Okay. I'm gonna cut the video and make like a part 2 about this. Cause I haven't verified my YouTube account and the video length is only a max of 15. So if you notice if you note 15 minutes, if you have noticed my algorithm, yeah, 15 minutes. Oh wait, my bad. In the algorithm of my videos, it's like 14 or 15 minutes. Yeah, mostly 15 and so on. And yeah, I'm gonna get the upgrade. I'm gonna buy the upgrade faster. You can buy the taser, Joshua. I'm gonna cut the video, by the way, if it ever gets, ano, like 14 minutes. Don't taser me! Oh, okay, you cannot. And the cameras, he's pretty safe. He's good. His picture's also good. Okay. How are you doing everything from there? I thought this guy's an anomaly, bro. Look at his eyes. Sup, I'm Rusty Shin. He's an anomaly. Yeah, I knew it, bro. Yo! Lucha! No, you don't. No, he just turned his camera to the coffee machine. Bro, you don't need to come to the coffee machine. It's not that hard. Okay. I think my quality has been better because I'm using ODS. I forgot what does that in long term mean. I'm sorry. But it's like a recording app for better quality and so on. ODS, I think. I just saw it in a YouTube video and I tried to use it. I forgot the name of that dude, but thank you, whoever said that. Oh, Barney! Don't you dare get the coffee! Okay. like I guess like no. Ah! Wait, I'll make a part two. Wait, give me a sec. You can chase other people. Wait, I'm gonna make a part two, guys. Wait, give me a sec. I will cut the video because I can only do 4